Good morning everyone. Today we make very easy recipe for sugar. Not only that sugar recipe for humidity country like Middle East. So citric acid 5 gram and then 5 gram water. We mix together until absolutely solved. Here, as we said, very easy recipe and very good for a humidity country like Middle East or Morocco or Egypt. Or 1 kilo sugar, 400 gram water, and mix water and sugar very well. And when it starts boiling, we will add 400 gram of glucose. As you see, when it starts boiling, we add the glucose. So 400 gram water, 400 gram glucose, 1 kilo of sugar. After that, very important step that we wash out the sugar. Here there is the bubbles come with sugar, so the color will change. That's why we wash always. And I have this to strain all the dust inside the sugar and keep my sugar clean and clear. We make all these steps all the way until we cook. So here, the thermometer. Now is 100. We can add it any color after it's boiling. Like 120, you can add it red color, green color, blue color. And better you can use also Zelos intensive color. So afterward, when it starts boiling, we will add it our creme tartar or tartaric acid solution. When 68, the temperature starts 68, I put 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I just whisk, and I can add it directly to mold. If I need we can use casting and using Zelo small. This without creme tartar, because creme tartar, this is a cast recipe for Zelos. Then we make satinage until reach the color we need. So again, the recipe, Zelos recipe for humidity country. 1 kilo sugar, crystallized sugar, 400 gram water, 400 gram glucose, 6 drops of tartaric acid. If I will make flowing sugar, the same recipe I added 14 drops of tartaric acid. If I make pulled sugar, and the same recipe without any tartaric acid, I use it for cast sugar. Greeting from Zelos.